Hi, kindergarten students. I have my whiteboard, my marker, and my blue and red cubes, which is everything you need as well. So first of all, I will show you how this works, and then you can do it with your helper. So one of you has red, one of you has blue, of course, and you each make a tower. And then after you make your tower, you each count yours. So I'll be the blue person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And write an 8. Make an S and close the gate. And then let's do the red tower. I feel like it would be better if I did that. Yes. Then I'll be the red person and this one, and then the person who's playing with the red cubes does the same. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and write 5 by the red cube. Then your next thing is to put them next to each other. If you put the flat side on the bottom, it works better. And put them next to each other. And then you can see which one is taller and shorter. Blue is taller, so I would say mine is taller, mine is shorter. The one that is taller is the one that has more. Because it has more blocks, it's taller. So you're always going to start with the one that's taller. Okay. So then the person who has the taller one says 8 is more than 5. And it helps, I think, if you touch the numbers. I'll do a couple more because there's a lot of steps to this process. So then you erase the numbers and you each make a tower again. So now I'm the blue person, now I'm the red person. Again, when you make your tower, it's just a straight tower. It's not a design, you're not making a shape, it's just a straight tower. And you try to do it quickly, otherwise the other person gets so sick of waiting, and you're not really doing math during that time. So then they started first, so the red person gets to start first. Now you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I do now? Do you remember? I write my number. And then the other person, blue, I write my number 1. Then remember what to do next. Match them up. You could do this way, you could do this way. Taller is always more, isn't it? So the person that has the taller tower, the one that is more, starts or talks. And they say their number. 4 is more than 1. So we're doing lots of things. We're counting, writing numbers, and talking about which one is more. Let's do that again. Lots of steps to this one. Pay attention so that you follow these steps, please. Let's see. I'm trying to do different numbers every time I do my tower. There's mine. And there's mine. Okay. Aha. If they are the same, I would say change it because we're really trying to learn more. So then someone has to add more to their tower. Okay. This person's first. What do I do? Think, remember? Oh yeah, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I had that before. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so I can practice writing 7. We try to do different numbers. Then the person who did red, what do they do? Kiss your brain. What do I do? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I never had that number. 6. Now what do we do? Let's see. What do we have to do to find out more? We put them together, match the bottoms, or that way, that way. Okay, so the taller one has more, so that person is the one who needs to talk. Taller, the more. 7 is more than 6. Are you catching on? If you are sure you know all these steps, you may stop the video and you may actually start your own video and show me how you play this game. If you're not quite sure, no worries. I can do a few more to help you figure this out, okay? All right, let's see. I don't think I ever did that number. And the red person, I don't think I ever did that number. Okay, what do we do first? Count and write the number. 1, 2, 3. Around a tree, around a tree. Oh, well then I must need to do the same thing that my helper did. 1, 2. Curve around a railroad track. Curve on down in a railroad track. Now what do we do? Let's see. What are we learning about? More. So it helps to match them up to figure out more. Let's see. The taller one is more. So put them back. The person who has more is the person who talks. 3 is more than 2. Are you catching on to how this game works? We're learning so much with this game. Counting, writing, more. Okay, let's see. The blue person. I have a good idea. This is my tower. You could do that one time. Not every time, but one time you could. And this is my tower. Okay, this person has 0. 0 blue. Go to the red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red. Okay, what do we do? We have to find out more. So, oh my goodness. Which one's taller? This one, because there's nothing there. Nothing is the same as 0, right? So who talks? The one with more, because we're learning about more. 4 is more than 0. Get it? Okay, now you can play your own game just like I did. If you're still not quite sure, start the video over and maybe do the same thing I'm doing on the video at the same time. You may do that. If you, but try to get to the point where you can do it by yourself and not just copy me, but you may copy me first to figure it out. Okay? So send a video of you and your helper playing this game. Do all the steps I did, because all those steps will help you learn more about math. Okay, math kids, let's do it.